Hey everyone, RJ Garbowitz, founder CEO of Webtalk. So right now, I'm actually going to show you the power of Webtalk Social CRM. Now, one of the reasons why we haven't done tutorials or inline JavaScript to teach you how to use the system while we're beta testing is because we wanted to see how intuitive it is. And we wanted to actually see how the users experience the tool so we can make it better, right? Without having to have a bunch of online tutorials to help, educate the users in the process or educate you in the process of using it. So it's interesting because there's a lot of people that have figured it out on your own. And then there's some of you who have no clue what it does, which is it's kind of cool because you are leaving great reviews about every other feature and surrounding the social CRM, but not the social CRM itself. And CRM is just contact relationship management. Now, it's a fancy word for built-in groups. You have actual built-in groups with your contacts. So I want to actually take this moment right now to show you how that works. So when you go to add somebody as a user, and I'm going to say, like Johnny, right now we are not, or we are already connected. And he's got a lot of followers. So it tells me right here that we're already connected and we've got mutual contacts. But let's say I want to go and add somebody new as a user. I'm going to click on add them as a user. And this box is going to appear. And it's going to ask you, do you want to give them access to your professional network data? And do you want to give them access to your personal network data? If you say yes, that you want to give them access to your professional network data, so now you just added them to your professional network. And if you say yes to personal, you add them to your personal network. So it's like a Facebook and a LinkedIn rolled into one. We do instant segregation of your contacts so the lines don't cross. Now, we default on acquaintance. For those people who are basically prospecting and just adding people that aren't close, the friends and family are for your actual friends and family. These are for people that you want to give, put in a specific group for group communication. And I'm going to come back to the power of tags here in a second. And you can also click on this and add timeline notes, like timestamp notes, like you're testing. And now it's timestamp. And news value and recommendation value is for your inner circle. And this is for your outer circle going to -5. Right? So you put your most valuable contacts in your inner circle on 5. And then negatives or outer circle on -5. So you see less of them. Now, that's for segregating your inner and outer contacts. This is for segregating your personal and professional networks. And then inside your personal network, you have ways to segregate with friends, family, and acquaintance even further in default channels. In your professional career, you go even further and you can do segregation between current relationships and based on what company from your resume. And then you can also segregate prospects versus current relationships at a certain company. So job candidates, investors, clients, customers, vendors, service providers, and even entrepreneur partners. So you have even more channels in a micro CRM for your business built right into the connection process. Now, what's the power here? Well, let's say I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to say entrepreneur partner for Mario at Webtalk, and I'll put him as an affiliate, right? Sorry, Mario, for putting you on display here, but I'm going to type you as an affiliate for Webtalk. Now, the power of these tags I'm about to show you because I'm going to hit connect. All right, and now I got a pending connection with Mario. I go into contacts, so I got pending connections here that are open. But let's say I just want affiliate. Click on affiliate in my keyword search. Now everybody that comes up as an affiliate, either self-identified as affiliate or I've identified as affiliate. So they show up in my search. Now I can also search by the categories if I only want pending connections that are contacts. Right? I should have added another keyword. So here's Mario because he comes up first. Let's add another note or edit contact. So now I'm going to put new as a keyword. All right, and then I'll save that. Now I can do affiliate, new. Well, now I narrowed it down to 13, but or found 7 results. So I narrowed it down to 7 because these match up. So if I want to add another keyword, let's go to contact, test. Boom. And now I go in here and click test. I got 3. So it narrows even further. So your keywords keep driving down your contacts, both in your actual feed here. So as you label your contacts, whether they're colleagues in a certain company, and you can, your keywords will narrow your results down. So if you want to put somebody as a colleague and then tag them as engineer, right? Boom. And now here's my results for engineers. I got 4 results for engineers. So I obviously haven't tagged all the engineers that work at Webtalk, but that just gives you an example. So if you put somebody as a vendor, you can put them as a vendor and then tag them as attorney, tag the location, tag whatever you want. And all those keywords are searchable. And not only are they searchable, you can also go into your newsfeed and you can go into your post and you can post to just professional contacts or just personal contacts or just the public. So that's more like a Twitter, or then you go custom. Let's say now I only want to post to my colleagues at Webtalk, add that channel, and now I could post. And it goes green, lets me know that I'm posting to colleagues at Webtalk. I'm like testing, post for my colleagues. Boom. All right. I can attach any kind of post I want to that. Here it is in the feed. I can edit it, and I can come back and say edit post. Then I click on the attachment. I can come back and add an attachment right here. Here we go. Add a screenshot. Where's this one? All right, there we go. Submit, and I'll do updated. We are about to become one of the top 50K websites in the world. All right, whatever I want to post. And there it is. So now I can see in my privacy settings that it's custom, and then it's only showing to my colleagues at Webtalk. And I could change this too. I could say, all right, I want to add another network. I want to add investors at Webtalk. Add. And now I can update. So now I just updated the permission settings on this, and that's who gets my content. That's it. And you can go even further, and you could say edit post. Oh, excuse me. Close that out. And go into custom. And I can also choose to add prospect channels in it. And then when I go to make an original post, I can set the post as custom, as confidential. Confidential will leave a stamp that removes the share function. So I'll do another test. Colleague at Webtalk, add that channel, post, testing confidential. There it is, a confidential stamp, and it removed the share function. So this post cannot be shared, and it goes right to just my colleagues, and they know it's confidential, and they know they can't share it. So they can comment on it, they can add attachments to it. I mean, it does a lot. Now, let's say I want to change what I'm looking for. Like email, you've got attachments, right? Well, so does your newsfeed. So we built in these filters on your feed. If you say, I want videos, that's all I want. Boom, here's all the videos. Let's say I don't want videos just from my whole network. Now I only want videos from my current colleagues. So I'm going to do colleagues at Webtalk, add, done. And now I've got, let me switch over to video. And here we go. That's got a video. I won't wait for that to load while I'm on this recorder, so it will take forever. But there's the videos loaded by my colleagues. So I've got this feed, and you can also search by keyword through your news feed. Let me clear out this, go all news. I can do affiliate search. Now here you go. So here's a video of me, play that. Talking about our affiliate program.
Welcome back. Sergeant Garwood's founder, CEO of Webtalk.
Yeah. And you can learn more about our social CRM by going to my profile, which is webtalk.co/founder. So anything you want to know is on the help desk there as a current user. We walk you through our patent pending social CRM, our patent pending newsfeed, what we built, the technology to power your communication, to help you manage your relationships in your personal life, in your professional life, in your business, all of it. We handle this easy. It took me probably 5 minutes just now to walk you through and show you how you can organize, filter, and manage every single relationship in your life in one place, in 2 pages. That's it. Well, take that back. You have 3 pages with the contacts page. So that is it. You've got a lot more functionality besides that, but I wanted to cover the power of the social CRM tied to our newsfeed and the contacts page. So you can filter your contacts, search them, and then target them with communication. All right. Thanks for watching.